title of the video, you already know what's going on. We're doing the timing belt on the GS and many more stuff. Shout out to MOD Automotive for giving me help on actually using the timing belt. I really just stood back and watched, to be honest, but I did help out with some parts, as you'll see in the video, but I didn't really record too much because I just wanted to get a lot of stuff done. So I tried to document as much as I could. And if you can't tell, I put on that crash from bumper back on. It doesn't look too bad. I'll just rock it like that until I get a fix or something like that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is something I wanted to do for this car for a while. And until then, see you guys in the next one. Until then, enjoy the video.
Okay. Wait, like you're putting a bulb in, or?
If you wanted to know, this is the old water pump.
Can you take over from this part? I don't put the headlight in. You take over this part? Everything should be loose.
Can't even see the original color.
Intake one?
It's just all covered in oil. And possibly carbon too.
Bro, you always rotate to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
That's bad.
You gonna see the video. I want to see the body.
fighting religion right now.
Get everything in the cart. I know it's gonna be a little dirty. Put everything in the cart.
Piece right here.
Because we're almost done now. Put it in the cart.
That's all I get. Once it runs, then we'll tighten everything up.